So take your fibres and wrap them around your finger. Keep the fibres straight as you wrap, don't twist them. And then smooth the ends around with your hand. Pull it off your finger carefully so that it doesn't unravel. You want it nice and tight. And then using your felting needle, just poke into about halfway in and turn and keep poking until all of the loose ends are attached and it's not going to unravel. If you rest a finger just above the narrow barbed section of the needle, you can tell how far in you need to poke. When your finger touches the wall, just pull it back out. Keep on turning and poking until you've worked all the way around, and then we're going to work on the side. So now you're poking in a little bit of a curve. Keep turning the ball and keep looking at that profile edge as you go, tucking in the fluffy bits. Just 3 or 4 pokes and then turn. That's all you need to do. You can see the curve there that's come from the poking. We're going to turn it around and do the other side. And just keep felting in exactly the same way as before. Don't worry about what it looks like at this stage. This bit does take time. Just remember to keep turning it and keep looking at that profile edge. So when you do have parts like this that are sticking out, you want to apply a bit more pressure and then really poke hard, and that will push that soft fluffy bit in. And the trick is just to keep looking at that top corner and making that curve. That will help you get a lovely neat ball. So I'm going to keep doing this for 10 minutes until you get a nice firm ball like this. Just keep turning it, and then anytime you see any soft bits, just push them in. You can roll it in your hands too. And there you go. That's how you make a nice round ball.